excited to be here at 430 Northwest Flagline Drive in Skyliner Summit on Bend's west side. This charming 3-bedroom home is just under 2,200 square feet and is freshly updated and sits within walking distance of some of the best parks, dining, shops, and trails that Bend's west side has to offer. Let's go inside and take a closer look. This single-level plan is both well laid out and thoughtfully remodeled. To the front of the home, we have the 3rd bedroom, which could also be a flex space or an office. We have a powder room, and then it opens into this great open concept living room with vaulted ceilings, wide plank white oak floors, natural stone fireplace, and everything is very light and bright and connects so nicely with the dining and kitchen area behind. No detail was overlooked in this remodeled kitchen. It has the quartz counters and the stainless steel appliances that you'd expect, and adds details like the marble herringbone backsplash that's carried all the way to the ceiling, some open shelving, and these oversized windows that allow you to take in the high desert landscape behind the home. Also, this generously sized island has countertop seating and is perfect for entertaining and gathering. Tucked near the back of the home and overlooking HOA protected property behind us, this primary suite offers ample space and is a great spot for you to unwind from a long day. Just off the main living area is an oversized full bath and a generously sized secondary bedroom. At the end of the day, come sit around the fire pit and put your feet up while your 4-legged friend runs around this fully fenced backyard and patio. Nature and privacy surround with protected space behind us and a trail literally out your back door. This home combines luxury with convenience and walkability, and we invite you to come schedule your tour today.